Hello, my name is Florian and I welcome you to IT Tech Tips. In the last video, we've discussed our lab environment and we had a look at the architecture and what's going on in most of our future videos. In this video, we're going to download and install Oracle VirtualBox on your PC. Let's have a look. The first step in installing Oracle VirtualBox is to open your favorite web browser. Enter www.virtualbox.org and then click on Downloads. You will see the list of available operating systems for Oracle VirtualBox. In my case, I choose Windows Host and download the setup file. Open the downloaded file and run it. Hit Next on the first page and read through the available installation options. Especially notice the network-related options. We're going to keep both of them, it's just for later reference. Again, hit Next and keep the default options. Yes, we really want this installation now. And again, we want this installation. Click Install and wait for a few moments. You're most likely gonna see at least 2 warning messages during this installation. One of which will be the UAC prompt from Windows asking you to verify that you really wanted to start this installation. This is a security feature of Windows to prevent malware from being installed without you noticing it. So that's a good thing. You have to say yes, of course. And the second message you might get during the installation is Windows asking you whether to install the drivers for the virtual network interface of Oracle VirtualBox. So hit Install and check the checkbox to trust this company in the future. Then the installation should run through without any issues. And after a few moments, you can hit Finish and start Oracle VirtualBox. And that's it. Really easy setup. Now that the setup is complete, I like to show you the network interface that was installed by Oracle VirtualBox. That is the virtual network driver, which most likely caused a prompt for you to confirm during the installation. So we're going to open Control Panel, go to Network and Internet, and view network information. Then click on the left to change adapter settings to get a list of all available network adapters in your system. This picture will look most likely different on your PC than it looks on mine, but you should at least have the VirtualBox host-only network adapter installed. And of course your physical network adapter as well. So if we right-click on that and choose Properties, we can scroll down or click on TCP version 4 and click Properties again. And there you see that you got an IP address and a subnet mask, which is most likely and hopefully different from the IP address and subnet from your home network. In about 99% of all cases, this just works out of the box. If by incident you have the same subnet in your home network, which is really unlikely, then you would have to change the number 56 in this video to a number which is available in your home network. Click cancel twice. Do not change anything except it's absolutely necessary for the reason I just told you. And close the windows. You are now ready to set up the guest operating systems in your lab. In the next video, we're going to download and install Windows Server 2019 for our future primary server in the lab called Acme-DC01. Stay tuned, subscribe and ring the bell. See you next time.